Wordsmith Change Maker. Amanda Gorman is the youngest inaugural poet in U.S. history, as well as an award-winning writer and cum laude graduate of Harvard University, where she studied sociology. She has written for the New York Times and has 3 books forthcoming with Penguin Random House. Born and raised in Los Angeles, she began writing at only a few years of age. Now, her words have won her invitations to the Obama White House and to perform for Lin-Manuel Miranda, Al Gore, Secretary Hillary Clinton, and others. Amanda has performed multiple commissioned poems for CBS This Morning, and she has spoken at events and venues across the country, including the Library of Congress and Lincoln Center. She has received a Genius Grant from OZY Media, as well as recognition from Scholastic Incorporated, Young Arts, the Glamour Magazine College Women of the Year Awards, and the Webby Awards. She has written for the New York Times newsletter, The Edit, and penned the manifesto for Nike's 2020 Black History Month campaign. She is the recipient of the Poets and Writers Barnes & Noble Writers for Writers Award and is the youngest board member of 826 National, the largest youth writing network in the United States.